If you like this video, please give it a like and click that subscribe button.
I cannot swim. I can, you know, like doggy paddle and get around.
So as long as you do 2 minutes, I'm happy. It goes up to...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through some of the drawers and cabinets in the kitchen. Here is just a few things that I stopped by the Dollar Tree and picked up. I'm going to be going through and kind of decluttering and throwing away and just reorganizing some things. Again, as you guys all know, I have zero space hardly, so you know, the more space I can get, the better. I will be popping in throughout the video to kind of let you guys know what I'm doing. And here I'm just going through everything in this silverware drawer, cleaning it out. I also got some of the little rubber drawer liner paper things that you saw. Every time we open and shut this drawer, that little tray slides back and forth and you always have to reach back in there and get it back out. So I'm going to try to stop that. And throughout the video also, you are going to see Bodie. He is the nosiest dog on the face of the planet, but you know, what are you going to do? So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you in just a little bit.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you. Right now,
Okay guys, now that we don't have any toddlers in the house anymore, I'm going to go ahead and remove the safety latch. It really does just kind of grab everything in the drawer when you try to get anything in or out or even shut it or open it, so it just had to go.
best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, my best friend.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without.
So the bigger things that were in this drawer actually go to the barbecue. I decided to take those out and put those in a separate closet so it wouldn't take up so much room and we could kind of keep everything together.
I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, when you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Alright guys, now we're going to move on to the dreaded Tupperware cabinet. I do have more that is actually in the dishwasher, so as soon as that is unloaded, I will put those in here. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and straighten up what is already in there.
I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Alright, now I'm going to move on to the top of the refrigerator. Since we are limited on space, we do tend to go ahead and stack things up there, and it drives me insane. So we rarely get up there and move anything around. We just kind of reach up and pull things down and then set things back up there. So needless to say, it was disgusting. I was highly surprised at how bad it was, but we got it all taken care of in the end, so no need to worry.
Oh no, with your words on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down and then you into my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Hey, now you know you have to decide, and you got
And because I'm so short, I had to enlist in some help.
wait a while. You gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat. You know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. How come I feel we're under attack? Like they're trying to pull us back. We're the only ones who really know which way to go. Hey, it's alright now. Listen, it's such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something, 'cause I feel alone.
Now we're going to move on to the cabinet above the stove, and I don't know how things end up here. We don't use hardly any of this, but we're going to go through it, clean it out, and get it all straight.
With you, under street lights right next to the skyline. With you, yeah. I've been a cynic for so many of my
Alright guys, and lastly I'm going to tackle this cabinet under the microwave. It is a hideous mess, but I'm going to get it all cleaned and straight. I hope you like this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so, and I will see you on another Follow Me Friday. I hope you have a great night. Bye.
I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. Everything is alright with you. Under street lights, right next to the skyline. With you, yeah, you. I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. Everything is alright. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think